my channel. My name is Alia Makhijani Kumar, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a video. I have changed my posting schedule, by the way, so it is now Tuesdays and Saturdays that I will be posting a long format video on Tuesdays and Saturdays, and rest of the days I'll be mostly posting short format videos. Now again, on Sundays I may or may not post depending on how I'm feeling on that day, because ek din to chutti banti hai, right? So now let's just jump into the video, and today's video is all about grooming myself. Now this is my birthday month. 25th को मेरा birthday आ रहा है and आज है 23rd. So I'm going to be putting color on my hair today, and इस video में हम थोड़ी बहुत चीजें करेंगे to groom myself. Now currently my hair is virgin. It doesn't have any hair color on it. It doesn't have any product on it as of now. थोड़े बहुत ग्रे बाल हैं मुझे, तो वो भी कवर करने वाले हैं. Today we are going to be using this Paradise का glossy hair tint in the shade Hazel Brown. The color is Hazel Brown. It is long lasting. Apparently it lasts for 15 to 20 washes. It also covers black hair like this. So I'm pretty excited because मेरे बाल पूरे ही काले हैं. Like अगर आप sun में देखोगे हल्की सी brownish tinge आती है, but otherwise it is kind of black. So I think ये वाला जो black वाला जो यहाँ पे result दिया है वैसा कुछ आएगा मेरे बालों पर. So let's see how this goes. It also says that it is infused with herbal garden, which is almond oil, brahmi, hibiscus, amla, flax oil, bhringraj, aloe vera and olive oil. I ordered this product from Amazon, which costed me around 548 rupees. इसका link add कर दूंगी नीचे description box में, so you can go ahead and order it for yourself.
So we get a brush to color your hair with, but I did not use it. I just used my hands with the gloves. Then you also get a colorant, you also get a developer. Then two types of conditioner. One is which you have to use immediately after coloring, and one is after 2 weeks of coloring you have to use it. And you also get gloves and of course an entire manual. You also get different variety of color shades जो है उनके products में, वो भी दिखाया गया है. And yeah, that's what you get with the color.
We will read this manual. Starting the process, there are 4 steps given. First is obviously wear the gloves, put some lotion on the head or the face so the color doesn't come on your face or forehead. Second is empty the colorant and developer in the bowl and mix them with the brush and create an even mixture. Make sure there are no lumps. Avoid using a metallic bowl. तो हम plastic use कर रहे हैं. Apply the mixture immediately after emptying the tubes and mixing properly. Third is start applying the mixture evenly using the brush, starting at the tips and moving towards the root, leaving it for 30 to 45 minutes depending on the desired strength of color. So we will keep it for 45 minutes because मेरे बाल काले हैं, तो I want to make sure कि कुछ तो difference आए, नहीं तो it doesn't make sense of doing this entire thing. Start with the hair tips, do roots last. Roots process faster, check color every 10 minutes. So we'll start at the bottom and slowly go on the roots, and that's what we'll do as per what they've said. Then the fourth one is wash, rinse thoroughly with water and then wash with a sulfate free shampoo. Condition with the classic conditioner, rinse and slay. So what I did is I started पहले थोड़ा नीचे then I thought कि मुझे रूट्स पे भी करना ही है, तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गो अहेड एंड डू इट. तो मैंने साइमल्टेनियसली इसी टाइम पर रूट्स पे भी कर दिया है. एंड मैं अभी सिर्फ क्या कर रही हूँ, जो ग्लास का प्रोडक्ट बचा हुआ है वो अंदर डाल रही हूँ, जहाँ पर मुझे लगता है कि मैंने लाइक छोड़ दिए होंगे कुछ ना कुछ बाल, लाइक यू कैन सी दिस एरिया. तो इसके लिए मैं अभी लास्ट का प्रोडक्ट लेके आई एम पुटिंग इट देयर. जस्ट पुटिंग माई फिंगर्स इनसाइड एंड रनिंग थ्रू माई हेयर. Honestly, if you have like longer hair than mine, you will definitely need 2 boxes. And I've been very random with putting the color in the head because I didn't want कि like division दिखे, lines बीच में मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए था, तो मैंने randomly अच्छे से run through किया fingers को. That's it. So guys, I am reporting to you after 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes now. Beginning जब मैंने लगाया था उस टाइम पर यहाँ पर थोड़ी itching हो रही थी, but I was kind of scared also कि कुछ allergic reaction तो नहीं हो रहा, because I did not do the test, which usually is wrong. You have to do the patch test. उनके product पे भी लिखा हुआ है that you should do a patch test before using it, which I did not do. But after that itching sensation in the beginning, right now there is no itching, there is no issue at all. Touch wood, अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं हुआ है. So I'm just going to run to the shower, remove my color, do a nice hair wash session and come back and show you my outcome. Also one more thing, इस चैनल पर मैंने recently एक हेयर कलर वीडियो डाला था जहाँ पर मैंने दूसरा निशा हेयर कलर यूज़ किया था, which again is not the recent video that I've done. It's a few years back का वीडियो जो मैंने पुराने चैनल पे डाला था, and वो मैंने अभी वापस से यूटिलाइज किया on this channel. So just remember that hair color is not on my hair as of now. It was like literally I think 2019 का वीडियो है वो. So yeah, just wanted to update you all because आपको ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि एक महीना पहले ही तो वो डाला था and now you're saying your hair is virgin. So my hair is actually virgin. It doesn't have any hair color as of now. मतलब इस कलर के पहले कुछ बाल में कलर था नहीं. उसके बाद मेरे बाल बड़े भी हो गए. 4-5 साल मेरे बाल आपने देखे होंगे रिसेंटली, इन रिसेंट ईयर्स काफ़ी लंबे थे जैन तक, एंड उसके बाद मैंने कटवाए थे फॉर डोनेटिंग इट. सो आई जस्ट गॉट डन विथ माई हेयर वॉश. यू कैन सी इट्स ऑल वेट. बाय द वे, इस साल में पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं नहाने गई हूँ जब पानी चला गया एंड मुझे 40-45 मिनट्स हो चुके थे बाल में कलर लगा के, एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू लाइक वॉश इट एसएप बिकॉज इस पर 30 to 45 मिनट लिखा हुआ है. So I wanted to remove it and पानी चला गया था. I had to wait for 10 more minutes and I was so scared कि कुछ हो ना जाए गड़बड़. But finally all's well that ends well. मेरे बाल कलर हो चुके हैं and I'm just going to comb in front of you now. Also आप देख सकते हो कि ये भी ना गीले हैं, तो कोम करूँगी, ड्राई करूँगी, देन आई विल कम बैक टू यू. मैं आपके सामने एक बार कोम करना चाह रही थी टू शो यू कि कलर लगाने के बाद भी देयर आर नो नॉट्स थैंकफुली. एंड ऑफकोर्स हाँ, कंडीशनर लगाया था मैंने, देख सकते हो बहुत कम मेरा हेयर फॉल हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द सीरम आई बीन यूजिंग. सी दैट ब्राउन टिंट थोड़ा दिख रहा होगा. लेट मी जस्ट जूम इन. So guys, you can see my hair is looking extremely beautiful. I love the outcome. This is the next day. It is currently the afternoon of the next day and I love how beautiful it's looking. I don't know if it's picking up or not, but ये एकदम caramel hazelnut brown का mixture like बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है because I have black hair. उसके ऊपर मैंने किया है, तो this is looking really pretty. I love how my hair turned out to be and absolutely love the product. मतलब बहुत easy था यूज़ करने के लिए and यूज़ करना बहुत easy था प्रोडक्ट को. The process was extremely easy. It was mentioned, everything was mentioned. कंडीशनर जो यूज़ किया उसके बाद मेरे बाल कितने ज़्यादा सिल्की और प्यारे लग रहे, like you can see the shine. ऑल्सो जस्ट मेंशनिंग कि उसमें लिखा है सल्फेट फ्री शैम्पू यूज़ करो, बट आई डिड नॉट हैव सल्फेट फ्री शैम्पू. आई यूज़ द लॉरियल का हाइलुरोनिक वाला शैम्पू दैट आई हैव शोन योर लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो. तो या आई हैव यूज दैट शैम्पू इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग अ सल्फेट फ्री शैम्पू, बट नथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स एंड आई एम extremely happy with my hair and I'm excited to celebrate my birthday with this beautiful hair. So I just got ready and now I'm leaving to do my nails and pedicure. So I'll be catching up with you all over there.
I usually used to do extensions, but this time I decided I didn't want to do any extensions. I just wanted to stick to doing gel nails, basically putting gel polish and doing slight nail art, and which is what I did. I took inspiration from Pinterest and this is how my nails turned out to be. I also wanted to do pedicure, which is what I did. I didn't take a spa session, just a normal pedicure, and I was doing a pedicure after a long time, basically after a few months, and so I really enjoyed my time at the salon and just had a very good pamper sesh. Also, I put white color nail polish. I love putting white nail polish on my feet. So I hadn't done my eyebrows in a few months as well, and she suggested to keep the arc, so I did, and this is how it turned out to be.
I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.